Okay, welcome to our economics class. I am Chinmay Hegde. This is the subject Karnataka economy. And here we discuss about the agricultural development. And today's topic is livestock economy. Here, agricultural development and livestock. These two factors are closely interrelated sectors. Agriculture sector developed with the development of livestock or animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is a part of agricultural activity. It is considered as agricultural allied sector, agricultural allied activity. Animal husbandry, the livestock sector plays vital role in development of rural economy of the state. In Karnataka, majority of population is depend on agriculture and allied activities to provide health care to the animals and for improvement and development of breeds of animals. Various programs are implemented successfully by the State Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services through its institutional network. Here, animal husbandry or livestock plays important role in our rural economy. Basically, livestock farming or animal husbandry practiced in rural area with agricultural activities. Therefore, animal husbandry or livestock farming is part of our agriculture. Here, livestock economy. Here, economy that indicates their expenditure and their income and their production, totally their cost and benefit that indicates an economy. As per the livestock economy, as per the 19th livestock census, Karnataka has 2.9 crores of livestock and 5.3 crores of poultry population. Here, in the livestock population, poultry population accounts larger proportion. It accounts more than half of other total livestock in population. As per the census 19, their census 2.9 crores of other livestock population and 5.3 crores of poultry population. During 2016 and 17, the share of animal husbandry to the state domestic product, gross state domestic product of agriculture and allied activities was 19.26%. And the density of livestock in our state, density of livestock, it was estimated as 151.21 livestock population per square kilometers land area. So density of livestock is about 151.21 livestock population per square kilometers land area. And the next one, during 2017 and 18, an amount of rupees 2520 crores, which includes RKVY, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana funds, has been allocated for the departmental programs, and for the rupees 1280 crores has been spent on these programs end of November 2017. And the livestock census in 2012, that year the livestock census defined with the population in crores, the cattle 0.95 crores, buffalo 0.35 crores, goat and sheep 1.44 crores, and all other livestock, which includes all other domestic livestock, 0.16 crores, Other than these livestock, we have another one, poultry farming, which accounts 5.34 crores livestock or poultry population. And then the next one is livestock production, livestock and poultry production in our state Karnataka. Milk production 6,562 tons in the year 2016 and 17, and meat production was 2 lakh 9,000 tons, which includes poultry meat and all other meats. Here, wool production 6,588 tons, and egg production 506 crore eggs. It is number of eggs, 506 crore eggs. And in the livestock economy, the product development of livestock production and animal husbandry activity, it is very important for development of agricultural activities. Therefore, our state government and the central government organized, initiated and developed different programs, policies and different organizations for the development of these animal husbandry and livestock economy. And they are different organizations, policies and programs of animal husbandry. And in Karnataka, it includes Karnataka Milk Federation, KMF. It is very popular organization for milk production and their value addition and the distribution of milk. Here, one important point is that in country, in India, the highest milk producer is Gujarat state, and the second largest milk producer is our state Karnataka. And that the second largest milk producer Karnataka, its credit is goes to our milk federation, Karnataka Milk Federation. And that milk federation increase in milk production is known as white revolution in India and also in Karnataka. And that white revolution, it is initiated and developed by one person, eminent person, Varghese Kurian. The second one, organization Karnataka Sheep and Wool Development Corporation, KSWDCL. And next one, Karnataka Cooperative Poultry Federation and National Program for Dairy Development, NDDP. It promotes national level milk production. It organizes national level milk cooperatives in the country. And the next one, support to training and employment program. Next one, in especially in Karnataka, Kshira Sanjeevani, veterinary education and training, Rashtriya Krishi Vikasa Yojana, RKVY. So it is for not only for livestock economy or animal husbandry, it is for all other agricultural development programs. Rashtriya Gokul Mission, National Program on Bovine Breeding, National Livestock Mission, Feed and Fodder Development, and other finance and subsidy schemes. So these are the different policies or programs implemented by our state government and also central government. So therefore, livestock economy and agricultural sector, these two are interrelated sectors. With the development of animal husbandry, we can succeed in development of agricultural sector. So in next class, we discuss about some other agricultural allied activities. So thank you.